How to put digital creator on Facebook profile? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to post digital creator on Facebook profile. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on your device. Sign in to your account. First, you have to see whether you can put digital creator on your Facebook profile or not, as this feature is available for only some of the accounts. So in order to find out this, tap the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and then tap on Help and Support. Under this, select Help Center. Now tap on the search bar at top of the screen and you have to type in Digital Creator. Now tap on Digital Creator option. Under the Help Center, you can see the different searches. So you can simply tap on the particular one and then see the steps. If you don't find the specific one, you need to know that this feature is only available to some people at the moment. So you cannot put the digital creator on your Facebook profile right now if the specific option or the search is not available. So that is how we put the digital creator on Facebook profile. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.